Lamentations chapter 3 verse 22. Because of the Lord's great love, we are not consumed, for His compassions never fail. God's mercy is new every morning. Dear Father in heaven, we thank you for your mercy this Tuesday morning. We praise you dahil sa love at compassion na ipinadadama mo sa amin araw-araw. Forgive us sa mga pagkukulang at pagkakasala namin laban sa iyo at sa aming kapwa kahapon at ngayon. Thank you for your fresh mercy at bagong chance to start right. Please guide our hearts and actions today. Help us to show kindness and love to others. In Jesus' name.